I have Clip Studio Paint EX open up. I believe this is the same that applies for the Pro. Don't quote me on that. But what I do to find the materials to download, I go to Windows, I go to Material, and I'll just click some random thing right there. And then right here, up here, I just click that, and that's what pulls up the Clip Studio Paint asset store area. There's other ways that you can pull this up as well, but for those who wanted to know, that's how you can access where to download the materials that I specifically use. Let me show you the other way. Okay, so after you click that button that I showed you, this is going to pull up. If it doesn't pull up for you for whatever reason, I'm no tech wizard. I don't know. I'm sorry. But you can also go to the website right here, asset.clipstudio.com. Hopefully they don't change that in the future. But that's also where I go. And then I just click this center button here. That didn't do anything. I click this right here, details. And then I click free. Why? Because I can. And then I go over focus sharing, focus. And then I go over here to 3D objects. There's 3D stuff listed all throughout, but I have an inner art hoarding dragon, and I will download so many things that I think I might need in the future, but I never use, like my notebooks that are sitting behind me. I'm going to use it eventually for a great story idea. So to help stop my inner art hoarding dragon from like going ham and taking all the things, I just kind of select just like 3D object, and then I select corporation, and it minimizes it down even more for me. So I just focus on what I need. But this is where I download it all. Make sure to look at the licensing. I'm no lawyer person. Please read for yourself the terms and uses and all that. But Clip Studio Paint, they provide us these assets that we can use for our comics. What's the word that I'm looking for? What's the word? I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, but they have all the information right here available for you. How to use, permissions, just click that. Let's see what happens. Let's click it together. They got all the information that you need right there. Okay. You guys don't need me to read it to you, do you? You guys don't want to hear me reading it to you, do you? Okay, but anywho, that's where I download my materials. That's where I download my materials. I can talk. I just click download, and then it'll show up right over here. I'm back in Clip Studio Paint now. It'll show up in my download section right here. It'll show up right there, and I can just click in and drag it. If this was a 3D model, I'd click and I'd drag it on the canvas. But that's a video for another day. The question that I received was, where do you download the materials? That's where I download the materials. Okay, that's all. Bye. Wait, I need a call to action. I gotta give you guys a call to action. If you would like to see more of my Webtoon Artist Rambles, I'm getting better at these, and you'd like to learn more of my process, or you have questions on how I make my Webtoon, feel free to subscribe and follow, or check out my website at s-morishitastudio.com, where I have ebooks. I have my own like little workshop that you can purchase, and I have my blog posts, which are all free, that you can read, and I have playlists on my YouTube for you to watch. So yeah, I got lots of stuff, so feel free to subscribe if you want. No pressure. Okay, that's the end of my call to action. Bye.